umhla ka-December bored, and then I'm like, ake ngivele ngishaye ijika la olwandle, and the weather is weathering, and then I pass by the joint. I'm like, yo, I'm coming for the joint there, but let me just take a walking yana nje. Njengoba ngishilo kunto ezamabhanoyi kuhle kudelile kunjeyana kucwathile ithandani wena yakutshela zihleli ndawonye mina ngedwa nje bengihamba ngedwa, and I'm like, yazini, I love this for myself. Look at the beauty of iTheku. The sun is out. It is indeed the season ukuthi uze khona la eThekwini. And also do come, especially since kusa empty kanje. Look at the beauty. It's windy kamnandi, it's fresh. You should come and enjoy this beautiful weather and the table. And then after that I was like, let me just nje yazini ngiroll and just nje ngisithole yayizwa into engishoyo just phela ngithi ngiyi-one, and then after that ngabathwaza ngalithwabaza. Now I'm looking for something to drink because ngomile ngizwile nami kuthiwa yazini umhla ka-1 we welcoming uDecember, nje summer is here. And then ngathola the joint. Remember I told you that I'm coming back to the joint. And then intombazana ngilethela nayi ilokhuzana i-draft nganatha yangbo, and then I'm like, yazini, let's do this. And then the rest is history, as you can tell after this.
I'm again, dude.